Everybody, so today I'm going to be showing this elevator that I made for a Love Hotel expansion pack. Material preview. This is the elevator. We can go into cycles mode. This is what it looks like in cycles mode. Let me just wait for the samples to up for a bit. Just set this to GPU compute. So it just like samples a bit faster. You can also preview it in EV. It's way faster to preview in EV. Anyways, so yeah, this is the elevator. You've got the door, which can be moved using the morph. Same applies for the other door. Door here that can be moved using the morph here. Of course, there are paintings inside there. Yeah, so you can open and close the doors using the morphs. You've got buttons. Let me just hide that painting because I plan on uploading this to YouTube and I don't want it to get demonetized. I'm just gonna reduce the lighting a bit. So yeah, as you can see, you've got this grill over here. So this one shows you the floor number which you want to get to, or the one you're already on. The number will be changing when it's in motion. Then this is the dial pad, right? You press the number to determine which floor you want to get to. So yeah, there are two sides to this. Of course, these are just handrails, for holding on to. You can actually hide this if you want. Hide this, or you can show it depending on whether you like. And then there's of course a painting. You can change the image of the painting if you like. I'm not going to show most of them because I don't want this video to get deleted from YouTube. Then of course there's this section over here which shows you, there are these arrows that are over here, and then there's this number which shows you which floor you're on. Over here you've got your individual buttons. Now the thing is, you can actually hide these buttons and then click over here. There's a folder over here. This one contains the unedited text because these arrows are actually a font. If I scroll over here, yeah, they're actually a font type. So if I type in if I type in A, we get this arrow. If I type in S, get this triangle. If I type in D, we get that. If I type in Q, type in W, type in E. So you can just change this depending on whatever you like. This is a font that comes default with Windows. Same applies with this, of course, even this one, you can change it however you like. And also the number too, you can change it. Change the numbers depending on whatever flow you feel like. What would be pretty cool is like if you decide that you're going to animate it, right? Where's the timeline? So let's say I want to make an animation of like a character going up, maybe up a few floors, right, from 7 to 6. So you can have this number over here. Let's say you do this to scale, and then maybe after 5 frames, right, you have to shrink to like S0, insert scale. So that shrinks, and then here, just scale this out again. You can have a duplicate that will be written 6. Wait. Yeah, let me just hide this. So this is just an example, like you can animate it to go from 7 to 6. Of course, when you're animating, you do make it look better. You can even change the individual numbers here to be to change them to however you like. You can put an 8 here or a 7 or 9, whatever sort of number you like. So yeah, that's just a basic tutorial on how this elevator looks and works. It's part of the Love Hotel expansion set. It's a free set, and you can get it using the link in my link tree, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you download the model, make some models, make some renders. You can even tag